Do you want to be more confident in backpacking, knowing you'll never lose your way? We've made this video just for you to give you some tips that will help you throughout your journey. Let's say you're in the middle of nature on a trip, and suddenly you don't know where you are or where you should go. That's where these tips can be a big help. We are here to guide you on how you can make your backpacking trip smoother and more enjoyable. In this video, we will talk about 5 easy tips and tricks for backpackers so you would never get lost during your adventure. Let's dive right into it. Number 1. Using map and compass. When we talk about using a map and compass, it's all about knowing where you are and where you want to go. Having a map means you have a detailed picture of the area you're exploring. It shows trails, landmarks, and distances, and a lot more. Now, a map isn't all you need. You need a compass because without it, you can't understand the directions on the map. You know that a compass always points toward the north, right? So having one will help you figure out which way is which. Use them together and the map will tell you the plan, and the compass will help you stay on the plan by pointing you in the right direction. You'll basically have a clear roadmap, ensuring you don't get lost during your backpacking adventure. Number 2. Use GPS. Let me tell you about GPS. Let's say you're in a big forest. It's easy to get a little lost, right? That's where GPS makes the entry. GPS stands for Global Positioning System, and it's almost like a map, but instead, it communicates with satellites way up in the sky. These satellites are looking down on you, always checking where you are. Now let's say you're hiking and suddenly you're not sure which way to go. Just switch on your GPS device and voila! It shows exactly where you are on the digital map on your device. It's like having a "You Are Here" marker in your pocket. So it doesn't matter how big or confusing the forest is, GPS makes sure you know exactly where you are and how to find your way. Number 3. Using landmarks and markings. Landmarks are basically natural signposts, and you can use them during your backpacking trip to prevent you from getting lost. Landmarks such as a unique tree or a distinctive rock serve as checkpoints, helping you track your progress on your way. Markings, on the other hand, are your personalized signs. Sometimes trails aren't well marked, so you can use sticks or rocks to make little signs, indicating the right way to go. It's like making a small note for yourself so you can confidently find your path, much like leaving breadcrumbs on a trail. Number 4. Pre-trip planning. If you have the chance, it's a fantastic idea to hike or backpack with someone who knows the area well, a local. They have explored these ways many times and can give you the knowledge you might not find on a normal map. Locals can tell you all about the trail, the best spots to rest, where to find water, and even share stories about the area. They know the shortcuts and can guide you through the path, ensuring you stay on track. So if you have the opportunity, team up with a local. It will not only enhance your backpacking experience, but also ensure you're on the right path throughout your adventure. Number 5. Emergency communication. When you go backpacking, it's important to have a way to call for help if things go wrong. In many places where you backpack, regular phones don't work because there are no nearby signal towers. That's where special gadgets like personal locator beacons or PLBs and satellite phones become really important. If you're lost or hurt and really need help, a personal locator beacon or PLB will help you. Just press the button and it sends a signal to satellites. These satellites then tell rescue teams where you are so they can come to help you quickly. And then there's the satellite phone, which can make calls from almost anywhere because it communicates with satellites. If you're lost or in trouble, this phone helps you call emergency services or let your family know where you are. Make sure to carry and know how to use them to stay safe on your trips. To wrap up, remember these hacks to stay on track and make the most of your outdoor journeys. Make sure of your safety first, enjoy the journey, and let this video be your reliable guide during your trip. Join us in our next video, which is about top 7 easiest and tastiest backpacking meals. See you there! And if you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.